Welcome to Squirrels Learning Nest.
A is for alligator, snapper with the light. B is for bear, growling through the night. C is for cat, purring soft and sweet. D is for dog, always on the feet. From A to Z, let's sing along. A world of animals, big and strong. From tiny to tall, they run so free. Join the fun, it's A to Z. E is for elephant with a trumpet call. F is for fox, so clever and small. G is for giraffe, reaching for the trees. H is for horse, galloping with ease. From A to Z, let's sing along. A world of animals, big and strong. From tiny to tall, they run so free. Join the fun, it's A to Z. I is for iguana, basking in the sun. J is for jaguar, on the jungle run. K is for kangaroo, hopping on the sand. L is for lion, the king of the land. M is for monkey, swinging up high. N is for narwhal, under the sky. O is for owl, hooting at the moon. P is for penguin, sliding in tune. Q is for quail, in the grass to stay. R is for rabbit, hopping away. S is for snake, slithering slow. T is for tiger with stripes that glow. From A to Z, let's sing along. A world of animals, big and strong. From tiny to tall, they run so free. Join the fun, it's A to Z. U is for urchin, in the ocean blue. V is for vulture with the bird's eye view. W is for whale, the giant of the sea. X is for x-ray fish, shining brilliantly. Y is for yak, in the mountain air. Z is for zebra with stripes so rare. A to Z, our song is complete. A world of animals, what a treat.
Hi kids! Today, we're going to learn about animals. Let's start the lesson. A for alligator. B for bear. C for cow. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fox. G for goat. H for horse. I for iguana. J for jellyfish. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for narwhal. O for owl. P for penguin. Q for queen bee. R for rabbit. S for snake. T for turtle. U for unicorn. V for bull. W for whale. X for x-ray fish. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Kids, I hope you had a fantastic time watching this video and learning the names of all the amazing animals. Animals Alphabet's Fun Song.
A is for alligator, chomping with a grin. B is for bear, with a coat so thick and thin. C is for cat, who purrs and loves to play. D is for dog, who runs and barks all day. E is for elephant, with a trunk oh so long. F is for fox, lion smart, always strong. G is for giraffe, with a neck so high. H is for hippopotamus, in the water they lie. I is for iguana, basking in the sun. J is for jaguar, on the run. K is for kangaroo, hopping with delight. L is for lion, roaring with all its might. M is for monkey, swinging in the trees. N is for new, creeping through the leaves. O is for owl, who hoots through the night. P is for penguin, waddling in the ice white. Q is for quokka, with a smile so bright. R is for rabbit, hopping out of sight. S is for snake, slithering on the ground. T is for tiger, with stripes all around. U is for urchin, in the ocean so deep. V is for vulture, in the sky they sweep. That's our animal song, from A to Z. X is for Xerus, scurrying so free. Y is for yak, with fur so fluffy and neat. Z is for zebra, with stripes so sweet. That's our animal song, from A to Z. Sing along and learn with me.
A is for alligator, B is for bear, C is for cat, D is for dog, E is for elephant, F is for fox, G is for giraffe, H is for horse, I is for iguana, J is for jaguar, K is for kangaroo, L is for lion, M is for monkey, N is for narwhal, O is for owl, P is for panda. B is for quail. R is for raccoon. S is for snake. T is for turtle. U is for unicorn. V is for vulture. W is for whale. X is for cirrus fish. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra.
Kids, I hope you liked this video. If yes, then please subscribe, like and share my video. Bye bye. Kids, I hope you liked this video. If yes, then